When it comes to circular economy, in our design process, we use the method of the 9 Rs. It basically means that we as designers need to be clever and really challenge conventions and really think what we are doing and why.
We need to decline adding building parts, materials, and items that are just unnecessary.
At the moment, we are doing life cycle assessments, or LCAs as they are called, for interiors, and are about actually to pilot the first calculations of hotel rooms in our different projects. The hotel is located in the middle of one of the largest shopping malls in the Nordics, and it's also by a train station. So the idea was really to create a hotel that was literally the opposite of its super busy surroundings and creating an environment of tranquility and well-being.
We aimed for a timeless hotel, which is built on a sense of community. We wanted to create a hotel that feels like its own little village.
The strategy centered on the idea of creating a hotel that, despite its massive proportions, was actually very human-sized at heart. Because this project was a new building, our focus was on the first parts of the 9 Rs. All functions were rethought and traditional hotel room solutions were challenged. All of the fixed furniture have been designed to reduce the amount of material with new solutions.
For example, there is no big wardrobe in the entrance of the room. Instead, there is this light multifunctional storage/mirror furniture, which is also quite easy to relocate if the functions of the room someday change. Sustainability will be at the forefront of all the aspects of hospitality design, from design to operations to guest experiences.
We do believe that all of us as consumers will be more and more aware. So how we consume and what we see as beautiful will change. The construction industry is responsible for about 30% of the carbon emissions. And the life cycle of interiors tend to be a lot faster compared to the life cycle of the whole building. So the need for change is accelerating.
We want to challenge our creativity. We want to develop as a designer and implement sustainable thinking into the core of everything we do.
We don't have all the answers. We are in the beginning of our learning curve, but we really want to do our share.